Hey guys, I'm Hassan Abdul Rahman, second gen owner of Pondok Abang. Today I'm here at our 1J Cluny Road, Abang by Pondok Abang food outlet. So here we serve three types of mee rebus guys. Three types of mee rebus. Number one, the normal mee rebus. Number two, mee rebus satay. You get 2 sticks of satay. And number three, mee rebus gearbox guys. So mee rebus gearbox is our heritage guys. So since 1990, actually our mee rebus we have gearbox at Clementi lah, block 449. So we are bringing it back here also. So as you guys can see, it's simple. The yellow noodle, the bean sprout, the mee rebus sauce itself. You see how thick it is, and eggs, some condiments of chili and lime, a bit of sambal there, and the gearbox itself. Mutton, okay guys, mutton tulang. And if you can see inside here, this one definitely requires you to knock it out or use a straw to suck it out, okay guys? So how much are the prices for the mee rebus? So normal mee rebus is 450, mee rebus gearbox is 750, mee rebus satay is 650. So do drop by to our 1J Cluny outlet. And one more thing I want to tell you guys is that this is also not available at our Clementi outlet, only at our 1J outlet. Okay guys, so do drop by and have a taste of mee rebus from our heritage since 19.
The best authentic Malay food made traditionally.